What?
What do you got going on?
Another car, another nuts and bolts engine. A different engine, an engine I've never touched in my life. Which it was the, what was it? 2008 the Lambo? We did the
clutch
dual
kit.
Clutch, yeah,
Yep,
the
clutch kit.
That was something that I never touched. Probably I'm never gonna touch it again.
And
But
here
we
we
are, 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Thunder Chicken.
What are you doing?
Well, someone just rebuilt the engine and the rear main seal is puking oil. We gotta go right behind the mast. It's the first time we see the car, so we literally got, what, 3 weeks open, doing business as LB Classic Ruts.
Yep.
And yeah, here we are. Fix the coolant leaks. Do the rear mains. That's gonna be a challenge. Hopefully, yeah, we'll get it right.
Well, because you said that there's clear silicone back there right now.
Yeah, it's clear silicone, like.
Clear silicone, you can see it.
See it. I mean, yeah, right there. See. Who the hell gonna use clear silicone on a 2-piece rear main seal?